Hindi po gano'n yan. Hindi po ito palaisdaan. Ito po ay tunay na buhay na dapat patunayan mo yung sinasabi mo.
Sir, so even the president,
well, we have to look if it's possible na nangyari yun. It's something that we have to look at. Kasi logical flow lahat yan eh. It has to be believable in the first place. Diba?
Pero yung binanggit niya po, sir, na parang illogical yung insertion.
It's illogical because it's a president's budget. They prepared it prior to giving it to Congress. Why would you now do something like that?
Sir, doon po kay President Marcos, hindi po ba yung papatak sa gross negligence na nangyayari mismo sa pakuran niya na may pagnanapos na nangyayari na nagagamit po yung pangalan niya?
Well, you can inject words, no? But wala pa tayo doon eh. We're not yet there. Kasi ang nangyayari dito, this is a country with so many problems. And the president's problem is not just on the budget, but so many other things happening in the country. Yun lang ang masasabi ko dyan. It's not the only thing in his mind. There are other things in the mind of the president.